Today we're going to have a quick look at the different ways you can set up the layout of your window while you're designing within Stitch Mastery. For instance, did you know that you can locate your palette on the opposite side of the screen? You can also hide the palette by clicking the left pointing arrow. Find it again by clicking the right pointing arrow. Your output text can sit in this part of your screen. If you were doing that, you may wish to reduce the size of this. You can also drag this way. You can resize the outline. You can hide the output text by minimizing or restore. If you have a very large pattern, you can also maximize the output text so that you can focus on that. To bring back the other elements, you can click on the restore buttons. You can also layer your outline and output text areas horizontally. And if you accidentally close your output text, go to Tools, Show View, and click Output Text, or put it back. And don't forget your row validation, which appears here.